Now we are here in the Sundarbans coastal region of Bangladesh, and this is very important ecosystem. That's why the UNESCO declared as a natural World Heritage Site. I also born in this region, so from my childhood I also growing with mangroves. I started to protect the mangroves, and I believe that many hopes inside the mangroves. Many people depends on their livelihoods on this mangrove forest, but due to their poverty and lack of conservation knowledge, they involve themselves with some mangrove destructive activities. That's why BETS is coming here and working with the community to improve their livelihoods, involve them with this mangrove ecosystem conservation. And we are very lucky that recently one of our project is awarded from the Ocean Community Grant. We are so happy that the Mangrove Action Project also partnering with us to implement this project, especially the mangrove restoration training workshop and the mangrove education program.
So we teach in our methodology of community-based ecological mangrove restoration. And obviously ecological mangrove restoration, we mean working with nature to restore mangroves and thinking about natural regeneration and thinking holistically about the whole ecosystem. And then the community-based, we really mean all stakeholders, but the community-based really highlights the fact that communities must be involved in restoration work. And sadly, a lot of the time they're really overlooked.
Many activities, many plantation activities are going on. Many people want to plant, ready to plant, but they don't have the proper knowledge on proper mangrove restoration activities.
The aim of this training, the aim of this week was to kind of go through everything from mangrove biology and ecology through to understanding and assessing your restoration sites, collecting environmental data, collecting social data, community engagement, really working with the communities to understand the site and social history, and then deciding how to implement projects, whether it's social challenges to overcome or environmental, and then how to monitor as well.
And through the education program, we would like to increase the mangrove environmental knowledge among the students. Almost 300 students will get the proper knowledge on coastal ecosystem.
Starting education from a young age really drives that appreciation and understanding of an environment, which then leads to conservation. We're also getting to connect with some local schools and meeting teachers, discussing our hopes for the next round of this program, where we're going to be introducing a mangrove education curriculum to the schools and to teachers, doing teacher workshop trainings to really get the teachers to have a better understanding of mangrove environments, why they're important, how them and their students can play a role in protecting these habitats and ensuring their long-term conservation. As well as just having teachers get more excited about teaching environmental education as a whole.
So through all of this process, we would like to create a good environment or a better mangrove zone in this region. So happy, healthy mangroves, healthy ecosystems, and happy coastal community.